After the ceasefire was announced, India said on Saturday evening that Pakistan has violated the understanding and the armed forces are responding appropriately. Also in the statement around 11 o'clock at the night, the Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri said that over the past 3 hours, there have been repeated violation of the understanding arrived at earlier this evening between the Director General of the Military Operation of India and Pakistan. Also, this is a breach of the understanding arrived at earlier today. Also, the armed forces are giving an adequate and appropriate response to these violations, and we have taken these things very serious. And on the serious note of these violations, we are calling upon the Pakistan to take appropriate steps to address the violation and deal with the situation with seriousness and also responsibly. Mr. Esri have also said that the armed forces are maintaining a strong vigil on the situation. They have also been given instruction to deal strongly with any instance of the repetition of the violence along the international border as well as the line of control. Mr. Misri's statement came after drones were sighted and intercepted in the various locations in the Jammu and Kashmir, including Srinagar and part of Gujarat as well. Also, where the hell just happened and why the ceasefire not coming in place. Explosion heard across Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, Chief Minister Omar Abdullah said in the post on the X. Also, another post less than 20 minutes later that was even pointed out that there is no ceasefire. The air defense unit is in the middle of the Srinagar, just opened up. He wrote that the announcement of the ceasefire was made a little surprisingly by the United States President Donald Trump on his social media platform at 5 o'clock in the evening. Also, after the long night of talk mediated by the United States, I am pleased to announce that India and Pakistan have agreed to a full and immediate ceasefire. Congratulations to both the countries on using common sense and great intelligence. Thank you for your understanding and attention to this matter, Trump wrote on his social media platform. Also, Pakistan Foreign Minister, that is the Ishaq Dar, confirmed that an understanding have been reached, and so did the Foreign Secretary Misri at 6 o'clock. The Director General of Military Operation, that is DGMO of Pakistan, called the Director General of the Military Operations of India at 1500 hours IST earlier today. It was agreed between them both sides that this should stop, and all the firing and the military actions on land and in the air and in the sea also has to stop and will come effect on the 1700 hours in the Indian Standard Time today. Mr. Misri said, adding to the instruction that have been given on both sides to give effect to the understanding. Also, after the declaration, the sources have said that the ceasefire with Pakistan is conditional and there is no change in the India's position on the diplomatic measures against the neighboring countries, including the suspension of the Indus Water Treaty.